Welcome back to Easy Way to Learn English. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Ismael. Today we're learning about daily activities in the simple past.
And we're going to explain how to use regular and irregular verbs too.
Exactly. So let's start with a question. Sophia, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I woke up early, I brushed my teeth, I prepared breakfast, and I drank coffee.
You always drink coffee.
Yes, I do. Yesterday, I always needed it. What did you do?
Well, yesterday I woke up late. I ran to the bathroom, I took a fast shower, and I forgot my phone.
You forgot your phone? Impossible.
Yes, and I went back home because I needed it. My phone is my life.
That is very sad and very funny at the same time.
Last week, I was more responsible. Last week, I woke up early every day, I studied English, and I exercised.
That's true. Last week, I worked a lot, I cleaned my house every day, and I cooked my own food.
Last month, I started a new routine. I woke up earlier, I drank more water, and I played sports.
Last month, I read a book in English, I learned many new words, and I practiced pronunciation.
Last year, my English was very bad.
That's true.
But last year, I decided to change. I studied more, I watched the videos in English, and I practiced every day.
And now your English is much better.
Let's stop for 1 second and explain something important.
Yes, friends. To form the simple past with regular verbs, we add ed at the end.
For example, work becomes worked. Clean becomes cleaned. Play becomes played. Study becomes studied.
Exactly. Yesterday, I worked, I cleaned my house, and I studied English.
Great! But not all of verbs are regular.
Right. Some verbs are irregular, and they change completely.
For example, go becomes went. Eat becomes ate. Drink becomes drank. Wake up becomes woke up. Take becomes took.
So when I say, yesterday I went to work, that's an irregular verb.
And when I say, yesterday I ate pizza, that's also irregular.
You always ate pizza.
Not always, but yesterday, yes.
After breakfast, I went to work, I answered emails, I helped some people, and I learned new things.
Yesterday I worked too, but I made a mistake.
What do you do?
I sent a funny meme to my boss.
Oh, no.
But my boss laughed and sent me another meme.
That is the best boss in the world.
Last week, my boss was very serious. He worked a lot and he talked very little.
Last month, my boss was on vacation. He traveled, he rested, and he forgot about work.
In the afternoon, I played soccer with my friends. We lost the game, but we had fun.
Last week, I didn't play soccer. I stayed home, I watched TV, and I cooked lunch.
What did you cook?
I cooked rice, chicken, and salad.
Last month, I cooked for the first time in my life.
And what happened?
I burnt the food.
That doesn't surprise me.
Yesterday, I ate fast food.
That explains everything.
Friends, remember, regular verbs equals verb plus ed. Irregular verbs, you must memorize them.
Yesterday, I walked, I talked, and I relaxed. Those are regular.
Yesterday, I went, I ate, and I saw my cousin. Those are irregular.
Last week, I visited my aunt, and I helped her at home.
Last month, I traveled with my family, and I discovered new places.
Last year, I was very shy in English.
And now you speak perfectly.
In the evening, I called my mom, and I visited my grandmother.
I studied English, I listened to a podcast, and I practiced pronunciation.
Wow, you really studied?
Yes, I did. I was responsible yesterday.
I'm proud of you.
Learning English is not difficult if you practice a little every day.
Yesterday, you were afraid of the simple past.
Last week, you were confused.
Last month, you made many mistakes.
Last year, you wanted to quit.
But today, you understand it.
And tomorrow, you will speak English with confidence.
Sophia, what did you eat last night?
I ate salad.
No, you didn't. You ate pizza. I saw you.
Okay, I ate pizza and I loved it.
Friends, now it's your turn.
What did you do yesterday?
What did you do last week?
What did you do last month?
And what did you do last year?
Write 3 sentences using the simple past.
1 with a regular verb.
And 1 with an irregular verb.
Thank you for learning with us.
This is Easy Way to Learn English.
Both. See you next time. Bye.